Hi there folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I'm going to be discussing why is WordPress in 2025 still so attractive as a platform for higher education. What are some of the key factors that make it one of the leading platforms, like I say, for higher education, and gives you some tips and insights about what you need to know if you're in higher education and you're looking at WordPress. We've got a ton of knowledge in this area at WP-Tonic. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why WordPress is such an excellent platform for higher education around e-learning, educational online courses. It's a great platform for that. Now, I think some of the key factors, folks, is it's very cost effective, it's open source, it has a tremendous community of developers, designers, one of the largest online communities out there. It's got a proven record in higher education as an excellent platform, scalable, easy to use by end users, the front end and the administration, the back end, compared to other platforms. And it offers a ton of great plugins and other technology that is easily available. So it definitely has some tremendous strengths. Another factor why higher education looks at it is a secondary platform to the main core of WordPress, which is called multi-site. Now, multi-site is based on core WordPress technology, but then it's a kind of secondary stream. And what it allows one administrative interface to control and monitor multiple websites. So normally every WordPress website has a back end with an administrator or administrators. And if you want another website, you have to set up a separate instance. Now, let's say you're a larger organization and you had the main university or the educational institute's main website, and then you maybe had different departments that needed their separate entity, separate website, but you wanted a core super admin that could monitor and observe all the websites in the organization. And that's what you get with multi-site. It's a fantastic platform, folks. Now, WordPress has moved on. The other key factor in 2025 is you need a modern website page builder. There's basically two buckets here, folks. You can either go the Gutenberg route, which is the native upgrade to what used to be the editor, and it's been now put on steroids and can compete with the best SaaS software as a service solutions. But there's different flavors of Gutenberg. Two that I would highly recommend for Education Institute is Cadence WP or Generate Press. They're both very cost effective and they really make utilising the power of Gutenberg much easier. So definitely have a look at those. You'll find a link in the video description to an article that I go into this in even more depth, and I provide all the links as well in that article. Another solution, if you don't want to go the Gutenberg route, is Bricks is the name of the plugin solution that's based on technology that isn't Gutenberg based, but it also is a superb solution. That's one of the strengths of WordPress. You can have some differences in solutions under the umbrella of WordPress. So you can normally find the best solution that really meets your tastes and your requirements. Another core element is the learning management plugin that you're going to utilize. Um, it's very similar to the website builder, page builder. You've got some excellent choices. I think the one that I feel really is superb is Lifter LMS. I think that offers tremendous value for Education Institute. Another one that's very popular is Learn Dash. That is also extremely popular with those type of institutions. And finally, Tutor LMS. Now, all three of these are excellent. They do have differences. They do have certain strengths and weaknesses. Like I say, I definitely feel that Lifter LMS is the one that offers the best value and is the most complete option out on its own. But other people, there might be particular elements of Learn Dash or Tutor LMS that really appeal to you. I don't think you can go fundamentally wrong with utilizing either three of these. They are mature learning management plugins, and all of them have had success with education institutions. So have a look at what they've got to offer. And finally, I think you do need a hosting provider and a support maintenance partner that really can work with your inner team and also provide consultation and support to you. This is what WP-Tonic specialises in, and you can book a free consultation with me and we can discuss your requirements and needs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you do, give us a like and think about subscribing to the channel. That really does encourage me to make more of these videos, and it's a win-win. You get more videos, I get my channel growing. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.